What are the steps in the process of organizing? The textbook has a list of 4 steps in the process of organizing: identification and division of work, departmentalization, assignment of duties, and establishing authority and reporting relationships. These 4 steps are almost exactly as per Lewis Allen's definition of organizing. Identifying is identification and division of work. Grouping the work is departmentalization. Defining and delegating responsibility is assignment of duties. And defining authority and establishing relationships is establishing authority and reporting relationships. Next, we will cover these 4 steps in a little detail. Identification and division of work. In the first step, you need to convert your high-level plans from the planning stage into the actual work to be done. Then you break down the work into detailed processes, activities, and tasks. Once you have all the activities and tasks identified, you can go to the next step, which is departmentalization or creation of departments. In this step, you first group together tasks and activities of similar nature. For example, all finance related work can be in one group. All the marketing related work can be in another group. Or you can divide activities based on geography, like all the activities related to work that needs to be done in North India can be in one group. All the work to be done in South India can be in another group. Or grouping of activities can also be done on the basis of the type of products made by your company. Like all activities and work related to air conditioners can be in one group. All activities related to manufacturing of washing machines can be in another group. Now that you have divided the work into different groups on the basis of the nature of the work, geography, or product type, you create different departments for each group of process, activities, or tasks. After you have decided on the departments, you will start assigning duties within each department, that is, inside each department. For marketing, you may need 30 junior marketing staff who will work on a specific group of activities. You may need 10 senior marketing staff who will work on another set of activities. You will allocate work on the basis of the skills and abilities of the staff that you need to hire. For example, for finance roles, you may eventually hire experienced accountants. So you are deciding or you are assigning what kind of activities will these accountants work on. The last step in organizing is establishing authority and reporting relationships. Here you create a hierarchy or an organization chart for each department. What will the top management be like? How many subordinates will they have? How many team members should each manager have? So you are establishing hierarchy and reporting relationships, which will clarify how each department will be structured and managed. Through this organization chart, you are also clarifying who can give orders to whom and who will be accountable to whom. Through this org chart, you are also defining how the coordination will be done across different departments. So these are the 4 steps in organizing. You should understand and remember these 4 steps. You can either memorize these 4 steps or just close your eyes and visualize these 4 diagrams, and you can more easily remember and explain them.